Nyama, nyama. Oh, mama.
That was nice. You saw that, baby? Fat. You saw that? Yeah.
You so pretty, stink a baby.
You made it. Oh, that's crazy.
You talking to the people? Say hi.
Hi. Bo.
Huh?
Yes.
Bo.
Your
Say
bow?
You like the Bengals? Say who they?
Yeah.
Say who they?
Yeah.
No, say who they.
Yeah.
No, who they?
Yeah.
No. Who they? No?
Get daddy a kiss.
Say who they? Mwah.
Daddy.
Daddy.
Daddy?
Yeah.
Say hi.
Mommy? Ah, man, that was a crazy play.
Daddy.
Be sure to like, share, and subscribe.
Daddy. See. Daddy. Yeah.
Mommy? Mwah.
Go. See.
See?
Somebody gonna be turning 2 in January. Big girl.
Yeah.
Yeah, you a big girl.
See. Daddy. See.
Hey, watch Gino march the Seahawks right down the field. They kick a field goal. I guarantee you, Gino finna march the Seahawks down the field and they're gonna kick a field goal to win the game. I can feel it. I feel it. The game is about moments. And these are the moments
You.
why you get
No.
paid the big bucks.
No. You telling mommy no? Who slayed your baby?
Ooh.
Baby.
Is it baby?
No.
No. You don't want to give mommy a kiss?
No. Don't kiss mommy. Don't kiss mommy. Kiss daddy.
Say no.
Mwah.
Say no.
No.
Yeah, don't kiss mommy.
See.
Yeah. Go give him a kiss. Give him a kiss.
Aww.
What you laughing at?
Say good night. You so pretty.
Anyway, hey chat, I'm gonna catch y'all tonight, man. Don't forget, after the Jets and Raiders game,
You gonna be on nightcap, Serenity?
we giving out
You gonna be on nightcap
we
with
giving
Daddy?
out $2,500. I'm gonna try to be adamant about us giving away more, so it's a little bit more beneficial for whoever wins. And I think it's something that we should do maybe twice a month. I think we should do it twice a month, not just DK. Oh.
Thanks for tuning in to Newborn Arrival.